3 color configurations. 7 types of watch straps. After downloading the app, first of all turn on the Bluetooth of the watch. Go back to the dial page and slide right. Click on the box in the middle to bring up the QR code. Open the app on your phone to access the device screen. Then click on the top right corner to scan the code. Pair. Allow. Now we'll connect the Bluetooth. Firstly, you still need to make sure that Bluetooth is connected. Go to Settings, Universal. Find Call Settings. Open the last button. Then we can double tap to answer call. In Qibla, the first button is the alarm clock, can remind time. The second part is pray speed. The data from the pray speed in the app is synchronized with the one in the watch. The third part is the Quran, but the content here needs to be imported from the app. Mobile app to Qibla. Click below for the Quran. Click on Synchronize above. Confirm. Click on the chapters one by one to synchronize after success. Voice download progress will appear during the process. Just wait for success. After success, you can see the corresponding content in the watch. The fourth part is pray. Also requires content synchronization in the app. Click on the pray below, click on synchronize above. Then you can see it in the watch. It is also necessary to determine the Bluetooth connection status. If the connection is not switched on, you will not be able to use the next functions. Just go to GPT AI and clearly state what you want to know. The GPT AI in the app is also synchronized with the one in the watch. The watch can also listen to songs. After determining the status of the Bluetooth, click on the first item. We'll be able to control the music on our mobile phones. The second item is local music playback. We need to download the music from the website. First, go back to the app to find local music. Import iCloud Music. Select the song you just downloaded. Then click Sync in the top right corner, waiting for a successful synchronization. Do not disconnect the Bluetooth connection during this process.
Oh boy. I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us.
Then we can listen to these songs on our watch. The third option is to connect a Bluetooth headset. Simply switch the headset on. Click on New Equipment. Waiting for automatic search. Then just make the connection. Pictures can also be viewed in the watch, but the pictures need to be synced to the watch in the app. Find Photo Album in app. Add photo. Let's try taking pictures first. Just take a picture. Use photo. Confirm. This one's synced up. Try select from album. Pick one at random. Confirm. Then you can see these two images in the watch. You can also read novels in the watch. But you need to download the novel from the website. I've already downloaded it. Select and upload. You can read it in your watch after successful upload. Using the watch, you can also play motion sensing games. There is a wide selection of games in the app. Choose your favorite to enter the game. Progress reading is slow when you first enter the game. Please be patient. Once it's loaded successfully, you can start playing. You can also cast the screen for gaming. There are two modes of watch recording. In the first mode, the file will be saved in the app after recording.
Hello.
In the second mode, the recording file is saved directly in the watch. We have a variety of health monitoring in our watches. Here's an example of heart rate. The watch should be as close to the wrist as possible during the test to ensure data accuracy. The data monitored in the watch is also synchronized and recorded in the app. Multiple sport modes in the watch. Once switched on, the watch is also fully synchronized with the data in the mobile app. If you don't like the current dial, long press to switch it.